Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Peppermint Hat in Roblox. This festive accessory is a limited-time item, usually appearing during special holiday events. To acquire it, you'll need to complete specific in-game challenges or quests. Always check the official Roblox blog or event pages for the most accurate and up-to-date information on how to participate and earn this cool item. Let's dive into the details. To begin, keep an eye out for official announcements from Roblox regarding holiday events. These events typically have a defined start and end period, so timing is crucial. Once an event is active, you'll usually need to join a specific featured game or experience within Roblox. Pay close attention to any in-game prompts or instructions provided, as these will guide you through the necessary steps to earn rewards. The core of getting the Peppermint Hat involves completing specific challenges within the event. These tasks can vary widely, from collecting a certain number of items to winning a set amount of minigames. Some challenges might even encourage teamwork with other players. Your progress is usually tracked through a dedicated in-game user interface. Make sure you fulfill all requirements completely before the event concludes to secure your hat. Once you've successfully completed all the required challenges, the Peppermint Hat is typically awarded to your account automatically. You should then find it in your Roblox inventory under Accessories or Hats. In some cases, there might be a manual claim button within the event game itself. If you've completed everything and still don't see your hat, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Enjoy your new accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.